This is a sciatic nerve glide, one version of it. We're definitely gliding a lot of different tissues on the back side of the leg, back side of the body, but we're trying to target the nerve just based on the sequence of movements that we're going through. So you're going to be on your back on a flat surface. Floor is good. Give yourself a second to kind of let everything settle down, and you can let both legs be straight. So the side that you are trying to do the glide on, you're going to lift leg up and use your hands to interlock behind the thigh. And my leg is very much relaxed. So my foot's dropped down, my knees relaxed, and I'm holding myself up with my arms. But I'm not like this, right? Like everything is kind of just like let gravity hold you, let the floor hold you up. From there, your foot is going to be pointed as you go, and you don't have to point so your foot's cramping, but just, either relaxed or a little bit pointed. You're going to straighten the knee until you start to feel like, oh, I'm hitting a little bit of resistance. You're not going to feel a stretch in your hamstring. It's just like, oh, I'm starting to hit resistance. I can push through that resistance and bring this to a stretch, but I don't want you to do that. Just right when you hit resistance, and then when you get there, you're going to flex the ankle by pulling the toes back towards your face, and then you bend the knee down. So in real time, it looks like this. It's up pointed till you feel that resistance, you flex and come down. Okay, to add, that you should not feel any nerve pain in terms of it, radiating down the back of your leg. Nothing pain. If you feel like pain comes on before you hit resistance, make it smaller. It's like, okay, I'm just going to go to here. I'm not going to go that far. You're just trying to get some of that tissue, the nerve, gliding in its sheath. It's like a tunnel. To progress this, to add more of a glide throughout the whole system, you're going to go, starts the same, you flex, you come down. When you come down and you're fully rested, you're going to tuck your chin and lift your head up. And that's going to pull it this way. So again, we're thinking of, we call this gliding or flossing, because pretend you have a strip of a string, you're pulling one end of the string, and then you're pulling the other end of the string, and the other side's moving, right? You're not pulling both at the same time to create this tension. You're pulling one end so it glides, and then you're pulling the other end so it glides. Last time, you go up with a pointed foot, you flex, you come down, relax, tuck and lift, come down, and you just keep repeating that. Okay, maybe you repeat this for about 1 minute.